You know what this tree needs? A birdhouse. Hey, it's Max here. We're going to be building a birdhouse out of upcycled materials today. We'll need PVC trim from our old shed build. Let's get started. Let's go over the list. PVC trim, saw, wooden dowel, screws, construction adhesive, drill, and my mitts. It's a beautiful morning today, and we're going to persuade birds into living in our houses by putting bird food in it. Now it's time to put them in the tree. We're going to put these birdhouses in the tree. Hopefully, the birds will come and make a house. Let's see if it works. Thanks for watching, as always.